Welcome back, lovelies. Tonight we're back with some chicken. We are actually going to be baking some chicken. This is just going to be like one of those quick, easy recipes because, well, I really don't feel like doing anything too in-depth tonight. If you know, you know. I'm tired. Okay, so I got my chicken laid out in my pan. Half of it actually stuck back into the freezer. This half is what we're going to go ahead and cook tonight. Right now, I am going to add my seasoning. So, of course, I'm going to add paprika, Creole, garlic powder, and onion powder to the chicken. Make sure that you do season both sides, and I'll see you back then. Perfect. Side one is completely seasoned. Let's flip it. All right. Now that we have it flipped, season this side. That's seasoned. Once both sides look like this, let's go ahead and grab a large mixing bowl. I'm just using this one. I am using the cream of chicken soup, the family size, so the 26 ounce, as well as a cream of mushroom soup, which is the 10 ounce. Once you have both cans open, you're going to go ahead and put them in the bowl. No, not like that. Take them out and dump them into the bowl, please. Thank you. Yes, just like this. All right, go ahead and grab some milk. I'm going to grab mine. I used my milk and just filled up the smaller can. I'm going to swish it around, get the excess out, dump it into the big can, do the same thing there, and then dump it into our bowl as well. Once you do that, your mixture should look like this. Haven't stirred it yet. Let's grab a whisk. I have to use this whisk because I can't find my pretty blue one. Oh well. And we're just going to whisk this up. Now, I thought while we were mixing this, we could talk. Again, this is called a whisk. It's funny because whenever Jackson's in the kitchen with me, he calls it a whisker. He says, "Bobby, look at my whiskers." I'm like, it's not a whisker. Technically, it is a whisk. So technically, the person whisking would be a whisker, correct? Alright, once we get it mixed up pretty good, it should look like this, pretty uniform. Let's go ahead and grab this. And we are just going to slowly pour it over the top of our chicken, making sure to cover all of it. And I'm going to get a thing to scrape all the excess out. Good, yeah, it should look like that. If it's not quite even yet, you can just kind of give it a little shaky shake. It'll even itself out. Lovelies, now that we have this completed, grab your pan, put it into the oven. Again, it is set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are going to cook this for about 35 to 45 minutes. Of course, we'll check in periodically with it and just kind of see when it's finished. See ya in a bit, my little chickadees. We are back using our rice cooker today. Again, wash your rice, don't wash your rice, I really don't care. 3 cups of rice into my rice cooker, and then 4 cups of water. Add in your water. Bloop. Alright. Replace your lid. Let the cooking commence. Ha ha ha. Welcome back. Long time no see. So about 8 minutes before my chicken gets finished, I am actually going to go ahead and heat up my vegetable. You could do whatever you want. Of course, your house, your rules. However, I am doing frozen broccoli, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, it feeds my family's nutrition. Okay, bye. Alright, we have taken our chicken out, and we are just going to let this rest for a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and start making plates, and I'll see you guys back here then. This is obviously Jackson's plate. Let's heat up.